Hi everybody, I hope you guys are doing well. So today I'm going to do a video that has been requested a few times now on my channel, and that is how to tie the Tiffany bow. It's actually pretty simple and you can use this on any size box. This is how I wrap my Christmas presents now. So I'm just going to show you a simple step-by-step tutorial on how to tie the Tiffany bow. Alright, so step one is you take your box and you take a length of ribbon. You want to make sure you have a long enough piece of ribbon. This one I have cut, so I already know that it's going to be long enough, but give yourself some extra room. I would always overestimate the amount of ribbon that you need. So you take your ribbon and you place it directly in the center of the box and hold your thumb over that spot. And you want to make sure that there's enough length here at the end to be able to make your bow loop and still have this little extra piece dangling off. So you want to give a good, 7 or 8 inches or so. Then you take the long end of your ribbon and you pull it underneath and back up and slip that piece under your thumb as well, just directly in the center of the box. And here's where it gets a little tricky, or at least just takes a little practice, is you want to bend the ribbon over to the side and you're going to wrap it all the way around the underside of the box and pull it right back up. And so then you take this length of ribbon and you pull it underneath and you pull it tight. Make your loops, tie your bow. There you go. And then you do want to kind of fluff your bow up a little bit, make sure it looks pretty, just like that. And then for the ends, you do want to cut them at an angle, just like that. And you want it to kind of sit right within the edges of your box. And there you go. That is the Tiffany bow. So I'm going to show you this on some of these other size boxes just to kind of prove the point that you can do this on any size box. Alright, so this one is a watch box, so it's much thicker and larger in general. So we're going to do the same exact technique. So we're going to take our ribbon and make sure we have enough slack on the end there. We're going to hold it directly in the center, come underneath and up, hold that with our thumb as well, wrap this all the way around, bring it up to the top, and then we're going to slip this underneath all the ribbon, pull it tight, tie your bow, the size of the box is going to dictate how large of a ribbon you want. So for a larger box, you make your loops a little bit longer, make your bow a little fluffier, and then again you're just going to cut at an angle, sort of right at the edge of the box here. And that is how you would wrap this box. There's really not that much to it, you guys. It really is just a little practice. I used to be so fast and so good at doing this. In the store, these ribbons come on this big spool that's in this pull-out drawer. So you get so used to pulling that drawer out, whipping the ribbon out, tying your box really, really fast and cutting it. I mean, I could do this in a minute, less than 30 seconds probably. You do this, flip it around, pull your ribbon underneath, tie your bow, fluff your ribbon up a little bit, and then here you go. And so you can see that there is a lot of excess, and so like I mentioned, you're just going to cut it at an angle at the edges of the box, and you're good to go. So yeah, there's really not a whole lot to it, but I hope that this was helpful, seeing me do the step-by-step. If you guys have any questions or something wasn't clear, please leave your questions down in the comments. I am more than happy to answer any of those for you. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.